Hey guys, it's Jen from BeautyRiotx. I'm not naked, I'm wearing a tube dress, and my toddler is in the background, so if you have a problem with hearing the sweet sound of children, then leave now because the baby stays. Today we are unboxing our, what month is this? Our May unboxing for Beauteque. It's a Korean beauty box. Usually comes with like skincare and like a jumble of fun beauty products. This is one of my favorite subscription boxes. I pay for this myself. All the information will be linked in the box below, and without further ado, here we go. Here's the box. I haven't opened it yet. I never peek. I like to be surprised. And ooh, this theme is magic, fairy tales, and fantasy. How fun. So we have 6 products in here. And the first one comes in a gold box, and this is the Prime Luxury Gold. That's all it says in English. There were 2 options you could have gotten. Oh, that is beautiful. And it's glass. Okay, this is the J.ONE Bit Prime Luxury Gold Lifting Cream. This retails for $25. We're glowing because this gold extract found within this luxury cream has a number of benefits, improving blood flow, preventing premature aging, and increasing skin's elasticity. You can use this on your face, neck, and body. Cool. Ooh, I'm very excited. I don't always like to open these. Oh my god, and look at the top. Ugh. This is very heavy. I mean, it's glass. I'm not gonna open this right now because I have a few creams to get through. I don't like opening them just for the sake of opening them to feel them for a video because I don't wanna waste them, because once they're open, they start to like, their timer starts going off, so I like to wait. Oh, how cute. The next one is a sleep mask, and it's a unicorn sleep mask, and it retails for $6. I have a plethora of sleep masks, so I'm gonna save this for a giveaway because it's adorable, but very, very cute. If you've never slept with a sleep mask, you don't know what you're missing. You haven't had good sleep until you sleep with a sleep mask. Just saying. It sounds kind of like what people do in movies, but it's incredible. Anyway, the next is from Urban Doll Kiss, and this is the Magic Rose Modeling Gel Mask. So this is a peel-off mask, but it's different from the peel-off masks that we get in like the tubes. Those kind of like peel your skin, whereas this kind of stays wet, but it comes off your skin. It's almost like it turns into a rubber mask and doesn't pull your skin. It just kind of sits on your skin. Anyway, I'll read you what it is. These I don't mind as a peel-off mask. I don't love the peel-off masks that dry and then you peel off your skin, if that makes sense. Wash your face, apply toner, and mix step 1 with step 2 from the modeling pack. Use the spatula that's provided and apply evenly on your face. Remove modeling pack after 20 to 30 minutes. Rose and licorice extract help lighten your skin, which help prevent dark spots. In Korean beauty, you see a lot of things that say lighten and brighten. It doesn't mean there's like, your skin's going to lighten to like 3 shades lighter. It just means brighten. Lighten usually just means brighten, which isn't a bad thing. So that's very cool. I'll definitely use this. And this retails for $9. All right. Oh, I love these, and I've never tried this brand. COSRX is the first one to intrigue me with the pimple patches. Theirs I love. I always have like a million backups. But Mizon now has Bye Pimple Patches. There's 24 in here. And if you don't know what pimple patches are, basically they're like little clear patches that you put over a pimple, and it basically stops you from touching them and helps pull all the crap to the surface so it goes away faster. These are awesome, and this retails for $4.50. Place patch directly on pimple like a sticker, leave on 8 to 10 hours overnight, peel off in the morning. Blocks dirt from infecting your acne, and a hydrocolloid layer that helps seal the wound after absorbing all the gunk from the pimple. These are incredible. If you ever see them, try them. So the next thing is the Deep and Moist Lavender Peeling Mist. So basically you spray this on and you rub it, and it like peels the dead skin off. So it's like a scrub, but it's like a spray peel kind of scrub. Gentle exfoliation to reveal soft skin with this peeling mist. Floral mist contains lavender, rosemary, aloe, which minimize irritation and soothe your skin while maximizing dead skin removal. Spray on skin 2 inches away, gently massage the area for 1 to 2 minutes, rinse with warm water. I will definitely use this. This is awesome. And the last thing in here I'm very excited about. You don't always get makeup, but once in a while you'll get like a makeup product. And this is a professional Yukie highlighter beam. I got a highlighter from this brand before and I loved it. Oh, it's pink. It's a liquid highlighter, so I mean, what if I buff it out? It's not too bad. Oh, you know what? I can get away with that. It looks really pink until you like blend it out. That's very pretty. And it actually feels pretty nice, like it dries pretty well. Ooh, it's gonna give you wet skin. I will definitely use this. I'm putting this in my everyday drawer. All right, so that was it. That was a pretty good box, actually. I've always liked this box, but within the last like few months, for the most part, their boxes have been like stepping up their game a bit, so that's awesome. All right, so again, if you're interested in checking out this box, everything you need to know will be in the box below. And there is a link there that will save you money, and it'll save me money off future boxes for myself, but it won't make me any money. Like, it's not an affiliate link. And then there will be like a generic link that anybody can use that has nothing to do with me. So just FYI. But yeah, that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you have any other Korean beauty boxes that you know of, make sure you list them in the box below, because I'm always looking to try new ones. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.